Hello beautiful people and welcome back to Everyday May. Today we're going to build my summer 2025 eyeshadow palette, and today I'm actually inspired by Ms. Alyssa JM. I'm going to leave her channel down below. For her eyeshadow rotation for 2025 update 7, she had this gorgeous like warm orange, yellow and blue colour story, and I felt really inspired by that. So today we're going to build something similar. Thanks Alyssa for the inspo. I absolutely love that colour story. So I'm just going to pull out some shades and then we're going to see what looks good together. Okay, so this first one has to be included. This is Cosmic Blaze from Terra Moons. It's a super bright kind of neon orange, which I absolutely love. And I do also want to pull in this shade from Terra Moons. This is Jupiter and I, which is a beautiful like bright coral. And I just think it's perfect for this kind of vibe. Now, Alyssa hasn't particularly got anything to deepen her blues in her palette, but I do want to have something. So I'm going to pull in Glaminatrix Cosmetics Nightlife, which is a really deep navy blue. We're just going to pop that down there for now. Then I also want to pull in this shade from my new Devinah palette. I've got a whole video up swatching these, which I will leave below. This one is Fir Gaze, which is a beautiful like duochrome pinky shade. And then I think we're also going to pull this one in. This is Capri, again by Devinah, which is a beautiful like light yellow shade. Okay, Cliodnah, definitely want to pull this shade. It's going to be perfect for this vibe. We're going to come out, there we go. This is Trinket, which is just stunning. I love the Cliodnah shadows. They are so beautiful. I'm just going to put that down there for now. Okay, I do want to do like a royal blue as well, but I think I know what I want specifically. We're going to pull this one. This is Nibos Golan from Glam Shop. I will translate that name and put it down below because I do not know what it is. But I want a kind of deep blue. And then I think we do also need like a lighter blue. We've got enough room for a lighter blue as well. But while I'm in here, I'm just going to pull this one as well. This is Glaminatrix Posy, which is a gorgeous teal. And I feel like it'll very much go with the vibe of this palette. I want to pull this one from Lethal for a light blue. This is Altitude, which is just a really lovely kind of periwinkle shade. And then I do feel like we need some warm browns like Alyssa's colour story. Not that I have that many warm browns, to be fair. I'm going to pull this peach, which is Looxi Castle. And I'm also going to pull this bright yellow from Looxi, which is Raincoat. We're going to pull this warm brown, I think. If I could get it out, we would pull this one. Let me just give that away because she's a little messy. This is Terracotta Pot from Copacetic. And then I think this one will also match this vibe really well. This is Clementine, again from Copacetic. It's kind of more of like a grungy orange, I would describe it as. I'm just going to move Cliodnah up here. Okay, I'm seeing the vibe. I'm seeing the vibe, which I love. I want to do something a little bit lighter. So this is Love Story from Pastel Roses. It's kind of like a lighter pink with a little bit of like a yellowy shift. And then I do think we need a blue shimmer. So I'm going to go back into my Devinah palette and I'm going to pull this one, which is Palamian. Am I saying that right? Probably not, no. Okay, I feel like we need some more browns, but I don't really buy a lot of browns. You guys know they're not 100% my vibe. Let's do this one, I think. This is Stitch It Up 2 from Glaminatrix, which is kind of like a pinky brown. Does that work, do we think? Yeah, I think so. I kind of want to pull this one from Glaminatrix as well. This is Struth, which is kind of like a mustardy yellow. And then I feel like we need a bright, like true orange. Okay, I'm going to pull another Glaminatrix shade. This isn't actually what I wanted, but this is Pumpkin Spice. I feel like, again, it's just a way to add a bit of depth to the oranges without using brown. Just going to pop that one there. And we are going to find a bright orange. Please bear with me. I think I'm going to have to go into my Give Me Glow. I'm just going to move these two around here. I was trying to avoid Give Me Glow, so it kind of all fit in the palette nicely, but that does not look like it's going to be happening, I'm afraid. I'm actually surprised that I don't have like a really bright orange. That's kind of a bit like more like a true orange. This one is Mango Margarita, which is a little bit more orangey. Let's just check these aren't too similar. No, they definitely are different enough. And then, oh, actually, I have got... This was like a nightlife bundle from Glaminatrix. Aha! Here we go. Here we go. This is what we need, I think. Okay, yeah. This one is Orange Soda Pop, which is definitely a lot more orange than a lot of the other shades we've got. Okay, I feel like we can fit a little something in there. I feel like it needs to be like a tan. Do I own a tan? I feel like these past two videos I've filmed with my single eyeshadows, I've been like, oh my god. There are actually gaps in my collection. And it's all browns. It's not seeming to be, so let's do something fun instead. This is Terra Moons Wicked Rose, which I'm hoping she will fit nicely in that little gap there. And that is the palette. This is inspired by Alyssa. I really love this colour story. It's something a little bit fun. The only thing I would add is probably like a tan brown, but I just do not have one in my collection. So anybody who has tan brown eyeshadow recommendations, let me know because I need them. So that is it for today. I'm going to insert some swatches here. Okay, so that is it for my summer build your own palette. I do hope you did enjoy this video. I'm going to leave some photos with the names and where everything's from at the end of this video so you can see, and everything will also be down in the description box. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, hit subscribe. And if you want to make sure you never miss another video, hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you next time I post. You've been fabulous. I've been Cola the Ball, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.